Hi, so we are continuing for the fleet management master setup. This is the part three, and we are starting from vehicle master setup. And here in the vehicle master setup, if you can see that the code and name is basically the plate number of the vehicle. Rest of the details like registration, make, year, body, and all this thing, up to the gross weight and usage, transmission is all basically the RC book information. Same, you will be seeing on the RC book. Now, few things here we are gonna elaborate here. So, like GL account, what should be the GL account for this particular vehicle? That you're gonna have that motor vehicle account as a set account or something. Here, this trailer plate number one and two, you need to keep it empty. This will be updated automatically at the time of vehicle trailer attach or remove. But some of the GL account we need to configure here, like a spare parts issue account. Basically, this is your inventory issue as an expenses account, which you're gonna put it as a default. Maintenance expenses account is the account where you are going to use the third party services and what should be the default expenses account during that maintenance. So those vendor will be paid accordingly on those maintenance expenses. And this is the tire expenses account. So whenever we are issuing a tire, receiving a tire, so that time on this vehicle, how it is going to impact as the expenses. So this is the tire expenses account. Here to define how whether this is a trailer or this is the horse or this is the full vehicle, there is a category like if we say it is a trailer, it means this is the definitely a trailer, and this is trailer required and is additional trailer required will not be applicable because this is a trailer only. If we uncheck that is trailer, and if we don't check is trailer required and is trailer additional trailer required, it means this is a full body vehicle. So we don't have to attach any trailer or any other accessories. But in case of it is checked as is trailer required or is it additional trailer required, it means this is the horse. This is how we define the vehicle inside. Another master we are trying to create is a FMS status setup. So this FMS status setup is basically we can elaborate as per our operation that what are the narration we supposed to get from the operation department, how the vehicle is running and what is the status at this position. Instead of having a manual writing, you can still have a flexibility to write some remarks, but there should be the code supposed to be selected at the time of a status updation. So this is multiple status you can define here. There is a certain status, I can show it to you in the vehicle trip. This is a predefined status that this is not going to change. This is the header level of a status. This is predefined status. But here, this status, it is, we are going to elaborate as per our requirement. So this is how it is going to be done. And again, to update or add, if it is exist, it is going to show as an update. And if it is not exist, you're going to see that add button. So it is going to add the new lines to the code. We have another setup, which is a maintenance job setup. This jobs, like when we are doing a maintenance, what are the activity we have done? What are the jobs we have created? Those jobs we are going to list it out here. And this will be again consumed or reutilized at the time of maintenance, vehicle maintenance. So you are going to select here in the maintenance window. And you can see those jobs, it is appearing here. Here, you're going to select which mechanic who has finished the job. and what was the start date, what was the issue, what was the resolution, whether the job it is on a progress or it is completed, and whether it is handled by internal team or external team. That is what you're going to define here. So this is how the job setup is going to done, and what was the uses of that job setup. That is how it is. Thank you very much. We will continue for the transaction in the next session. Thanks.